Mado, see house. He choke. Hey, see house. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Chinel. Yeah, welcome back to another exciting video. Yes, the show that we all have been waiting for is finally here. Yes, the show is finally here. So guys, like as I promised, I'll be giving you guys back-to-back content, back-to-back gist on this show. I'm a lover of BBNAIJA show. Like, guys, I know that I'm not the only one on this. So guys, like I said in my last video, the launch show of BBNAIJA show, that it has double launch. Yes, it has double launch, which is on Saturday the 23rd, and the second one, which was on Sunday the 24th. So guys, it was actually double launch, like I said, and a new house was introduced on Sunday, which is the second launch of this show. So guys, I was even thinking that the second housemates, the second launch, maybe the new housemates that we're going to be coming in will also be going into the same house. Not to know that until when Ebuka now introduced the second house. Guys, it was massive. It was a mansion, like it's Big Brother mansion. Like the house is beautiful. Like guys, I know that you agree on me on this. The house is beautiful, because the first house that the first 12 housemates were introduced into, the house wasn't that bad, but from looking at it, it looks like more tight and stuff. It looks like more tight. You know, I was even thinking, like, with all these housemates, you know, would this place contain all these housemates? Until the second launch, when Ebuka finally introduced the second house, the level up house, which is so beautiful. Yes. What? Come on! Damn! This is a freaking level. Like, the house is beautiful. The people that brought this idea, the concept of this house is, man, they're on point. Like, they are on point. So guys, if it's your first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, hit that red button, give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. And also turn on the notification bell, so when I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. I know you don't want to miss out on this juicy gist, because I'll be giving you guys back-to-back content on this reality show. Guys, I know that I'm not the only one that is a lover of reality shows such as this one. Yeah, this is Africa's biggest. This is African's biggest show. So guys, so in today's video, we'll be taking a tour on the Big Brother's house. Yes, I'll be showing you some parts of the house. Like, I'll be showing you things that will wow you. Like, guys, me myself, when I saw these things, I was speechless. Like, really, because in every season, Big Brother always try to like spice up things. Like, I talked about this house in the first video that I made on this show, but I didn't show the pictures or videos about it. So guys, in this video, I'll be showing some clips and pictures, you know, to show you how beautiful the house looks like. Yeah, so every season, Big Brother try to like spice up things, you know, try to create, you know, do more things in the house, you know, recreate it to look more beautiful, to suit the theme of the season. Yes, just like this season's theme is level up. So this house really suits the theme, level up. Like the paintings, the color paintings, the artistic things, you know, that were there. And most of us who are in love with acts, I know you can like interpret what these acts are all about. Like, if you take a look at this artistic work on this house, most of us can relate to what it is. You can actually tell that This is happening in Nigeria. This is happening in Africa. This is happening in Nigeria. If you take a look at the yellow bus, which is called Danfo in Lagos, you will know that this is happening in Lagos. Like, you can't come to Lagos without seeing a yellow Danfo. Like, you must see a yellow bus. It is called Danfo in Lagos. You must see it. So the yellow bus, which is called Danfo, represents Lagos. If you're Lagosians and you've not jumped Danfo before, man, I didn't know where you flew in for, because me. So guys, and if you take a look at the bridge, the bridge in the house, the artistic bridge, you can also tell that it looks more like Onitsha Bridge. I'm not sure, like, of course it looks more like Onitsha Bridge, if you can relate or something. So all these artistics, all these arts actually depicts a lot of Nigeria. Like, from the acts, you can be able to like relate, you can be able to interpret what it's all about. And the color matching, or the colors are like, most of us that like bright colors, you know, most of us that like bright colors, I know that this house is a yes for you, because this is beautiful. This is beautiful. The color matching, the white and the black and white background. Are we even talking about the lounge, guys? Are we talking about the lounge? The lounge is beautiful. Like, it's beautiful, because every season BBNAIJA try to, like, you know, spice up things, change the colors. Man, the people who has this concept of these acts, the person that brought this idea, this concept, swallow it for you. Swallow it for you. You are good at what you do. Yes, you are good at what you do. And also the other part of the house which also got me is the kitchen, guys. Is the kitchen. I think the kitchen is the heart of the house. I don't know. So guys, what do you feel? Is the kitchen the heart of the house, or which other part of the house that is the heart of the house? But I think the kitchen is the heart of the house, because whenever you're hungry or something, that's where you come in. Like, this kitchen is so beautiful. You can, when looking at this kitchen, you want to feel like eating all the time. Like, it's too beautiful. It's too beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Are we even talking about the salon? Man, the salon is beautiful. You want to like make your hair almost all the time, but hey, I think they're only allowed to make their hairs only on Saturdays. I think so. So man, the salon is so beautiful. The artwork in this house is amazing. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Then guys, let's also look at the closets. Man, should I say this is the best out of all the, or let me just say this is beautiful, because the previous houses are also beautiful. Let me just say this is beautiful. This is beautiful. The closet is it's so lovely. It's very, very lovely. It's so lovely. Guys, I know that you're going to agree with me on this, because this house is a mansion. This house is a mansion. This house is a mansion. When I say mansion, this house is a mansion. And also guys, okay, I've talked about the lounge area. The lounge area is also beautiful. There's a lot of space to contain everybody. There's a lot of space to contain everybody. I just like the way they pictured everything. I like the way they pictured everything. And the most thing that is making me go mad, that's making me go gaga, is the color blocking. Like, it's mad. It's lovely. It's mad. It's lovely. I know you guys will agree with me on this, because this house is top notch. This house is top notch. So guys, the garden area, yes, the garden area, I think this season the garden area was turned into a pool. Yes, a full pool place. Yes, it was turned into a pool. Before, it was supposed to be a garden for relaxation or something, but I think this time around they turned it into a pool, which is also beautiful. Yeah, which is also beautiful. Are we even talking about the pool? What about the bathroom? Man, What about the bathroom? My fear is I hope the housemates will maintain. I hope the housemates will maintain this house. I hope they're going to maintain this house because this place is beautiful. The bathroom is amazing. It's very, very beautiful. But I heard about this season. This season is going to be a naked bathroom hour, a shower hour. I don't know, because the other time you can go into the bathroom and close the door or something, but this time around it's going to be open. So Big Brother is watching, is seeing you 247 anywhere that you are. So watch out. So guys, what else have we not talked about this house? So take a look at the bedrooms. This is beautiful. The way they arrange it, the everything is lovely. Is lovely. It's top notch. It's top notch. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did enjoy this video, and tell me what you feel about this house, this Big Brother's house this season. Tell me what you feel about this Big Brother house this season. Like, are you feeling what I'm feeling? I'm the only one feeling all of this. So guys, you know, like I said, there are 2 houses this season. So I don't know how viewers are going to manage, you know, to be watching the 2 houses at the same time. But though Big Brother provided 2 channels for these 2 houses. So the first houses, that's the people that came in on Saturday, have their own channel on DSTV, I think channel 198. The second channel, which channel 199, I think. So I don't know, it's going to be a little bit tough for viewers to like switch to this, switch to this other side, and switch to this other side. But I'm also hoping, yeah, hopefully maybe before the weeks runs out or in some weeks time, Big Brother might join the 2 houses together. I don't know, but you know, with Big Brother you can expect the unexpected, or anything can happen, you understand. But if they join them together, I think it's going to be more fun and more, you know, easier for the viewers to also watch. But all the same, it is for the viewers to watch. So you can't trust Big Brother because he can spice up things at any time, at any moment. So let's just watch and see what Big Brother has in stock for us, because for him to bring out 2 houses, man, there's a lot of things that is going to happen. There's going to be a lot of twists. There's going to be a lot of twists in this season. Yes, our eyes are glued. If you're watching up to this moment and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Hit that red button, give my video a thumbs up, comment, like and share, and also turn your notification bell so when I post a new video you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, see you in my next video. Watch out, more content on the way. Bye. Bye.